EU officers and ratings to Embark. We have LPG ships, French flag Belgium and French flag Parle Français un peu. Apply in Candina, also cadets, looking forward to have the Social Security French and Belgium flag. Direct European Belgium huge ship owner LPG and the future career possibilities. Ships trading here, European waters mostly, and so if you are sailing now to Asia and think, oh well, perhaps I like to be very close to my home, to my family, this is a family ship owner, Belgium, hero ship owner, and therefore also Candina, 5 generations, 126 years, a family company, so we're looking after you, European officer and rating. Si tu parles un peu de français, sinon apprendre français. Merci beaucoup. Also, we have a research vessel that has Italian flag, and as you know, Candina has many ships, Italian flag. It's very complicated, Italy, because we need the codice fiscale, we need the endorsement for officers. But if you are European and interested to sail European waters, have social security, perhaps one of those that is either on board the cruise and the flag of convenience with no social security, unemployment, the pension, sanitary assistance, the whole package of European social security. Apply urgently, and if you have friends, like and subscribe, because we have a huge expansion. European ship owners are going to think about European flags, and European flags one day they will think that perhaps there is 75,000 ships this planet. The moon, not so many ships now, and also many other planets. Therefore, can we focus in our own European flags? Some hero European ship owners are doing that and are thinking, Jose, help us with European crew, and now it's your turn. Let's have a family team, all of us, and grow stronger. Apply urgently, like and subscribe, and pass to all the maritime schools training and the groups of interest, the social media, WhatsApps, Instagrams, and Facebooks, and Roro. Thank you, bye. Over.